this video, you will learn how to swim. If you have no experience in swimming and have never been in the water before, this video will take you from total beginner to someone who can feel comfortable and safe around and in the water.
Swimming, as we define it, is to be able to move from here to there with comfort and ease, getting air and rest when you want.
Were you aware that swimming is more than just a fun, warm weather activity? It also has plenty of great health benefits. This is why once the temperature gets cozier, you'll want to jump into that bathing suit. Let's talk about the benefits of swimming. How many calories can it burn? Can it improve your quality of sleep? Does swimming help your asthma? We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Burns calories. Swimming serves as a great way to shave off the extra weight you've collected over the winter. Keep this in mind though, the amount of calories you burn, as well as the time it takes to do so, depends on several factors. These include weight, body type, age, gender, and intensity. Number 2. You'll feel happier. Swimming has amazing benefits on your mental health. Once you step into a pool, it's like an automatic mood booster. In Great Britain, for example, swimming was shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression on 1.4 million adults. Many of their visits to the doctor had reduced as well. Number 3. All types of muscles are worked. When you go for a dip, a wide variety of muscles are put to the test. We're talking about your core abs, shoulders, deltoids, forearms, upper back, glutes, and hamstrings. The water puts very little pressure on your joints and muscles. Patients with arthritis frequently report experiencing less physical pain when swimming, along with higher functional capacity. Those who suffer from multiple sclerosis would be happy to learn that the buoyancy your limbs experience while in the water make their exercises much easier. Swimming is what's referred to as a low-impact workout. This is typically a physical activity that is less straining on your body than our usual workout. Due to the moderate level of resistance your body has to put up with, strength training in water is much easier. Number 4. Reduces risk of an early death. Swimming can help you maintain your blood pressure level. Were you aware that when compared to non-swimmers, those who swim have half the risk of dying? That news alone almost makes you want to find the nearest public pool and dive right in. A 2016 study showed that 8 weeks of swim training has significant effects on your blood pressure, blood supply, and arterial stiffness. People suffering from hypertension would greatly benefit from a trip to the neighborhood pool this summer. Pools are wonderful places to feel relieved. And no, not in the way you're thinking. Get your mind out of the gutter. There's lots of great internal functions that improve after swimming. This is a great lead into our next benefit. But before we continue, are you looking to improve your overall health? Perhaps you'll enjoy our video discussing what eating papaya every day does to your body. Also, are you concerned about keeping your child healthy? Try 16 effective remedies for curing your child's cough. Now, let's continue with our list of the benefits to swimming. Number 5. Improve function of lungs. Do you suffer from asthma? Well, prepare to breathe a little easier. Literally. Swimming allows your lung capacity to flourish. Seriously. Have you seen those professional swimmers and how long they can hold their breath? You'd think they had the gills of a freaking fish. A higher lung capacity has been linked to a reduced chance of cardiovascular disease. Number 6. Much better sleeps. If one thing's for sure, we could all use a good snooze these days. Recent studies have shown that the stress from regular exercise actually hurts your ability to sleep easier. But diving into your local pool can improve the quality of your sleep significantly. Number 7. Helps injuries. If you've been recently hurt, one of the best ways of rehabilitation is to expose yourself to a swimming pool. Again, not what you were thinking. In order to smooth out the healing process, exercising in a pool will make a difference. Here, the water will strengthen your muscles and ligaments. Remember, swimming is a low-impact exercise. Surrounding your body with water gives you a great support system, as there is limited physical pressure on the body to perform.
take a look at the different styles so you can find the right one for you.
Breaststroke. This basic stroke is great for beginners, making it one of the most popular styles. Your legs and arms perform the same motion, making it much simpler to learn. Your head remains above the water. This gives you fantastic visibility while avoiding breathing issues. More advanced versions of this technique include submerging your head under the water. However, the breaststroke is the slowest and less efficient of all the 4 styles. Backstroke. Backstroke is the next advancement from the breaststroke. Swimming on your back, the legs kick up and down in a flutter movement, while your arms execute alternating movements. Swimming on your back means it's easier to breathe and it's great for long distance swimming. Backstroke is recommended for swimmers with back problems as it works the lower back muscles. It even improves your posture and tightens your core. While starting out, it takes practice finding your balance and to be aware of your surroundings. Butterfly. The butterfly is known as the most unique style. The technique uses a wave-like body undulation to propel yourself through the water. As the stroke requires the legs to move as one, it works out the legs and the bum. This is faster than the previous 2 styles. It also strengthens the core muscles, which are vital to a swimmer's power in the water. However, despite being a fast stroke, it can be tiring and difficult to learn, but it is well worth the effort. Freestyle. The freestyle is swum on the stomach. The feet perform a flutter kick technique as your arms rotate in alternate motion. This is the fastest stroke on this list. That's why it's very popular in swimming competitions. It's also perfect for long distance swimming as it enables you to cover long distances. Like the butterfly, it can be difficult to master. Another issue is that the face is submerged in the water between breaths, but the benefits vastly outweigh the shortcomings.
The more weight on your body, the more calories you burn. If you are around 160 pounds, you have the chance to burn 423 calories after 1 hour of laps in the pool. Now, that is an intense workout. Imagine if you were over 200 pounds. After a 60-minute swim, you could burn close to 1,000.
I know you're not